Hello and welcome to the tech update of this week. Now, last month we saw the release of major smartphones from the iPhone 15 series to Huawei's Mate 60 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S23. Now, if you take a look at the launch date for all these smartphones, one thing comes in mind, that these brands are ready for competition. Now, let's focus on Asia's largest economy, China. Now, according to reports released by Counterpoint Research and Jefferies Analysis, Apple has lost its position as the #1 Chinese smartphone market leader to no other brand but Huawei. Now, Apple dethroned Huawei as the top smartphone brand in 2021, which can be attributed to the US sanction leveled against Huawei in 2019. But it seems Huawei is finally making a shocking comeback, taking Apple by surprise. Now, when you compare the first 17 days of sales in China in 2023 to that of 2022, the iPhone 15 sales saw a decline of over 4.5%, which therefore means that the iPhone 15 model underperformed when compared to the sales volume of last year's iPhone 14 series. Now, the decline in the sales of iPhone 15 series is as a result of strong competition from key competing brands such as Huawei, Honor and Xiaomi. Now, bear in mind that the Chinese smartphone market is very competitive, with most smartphone brands coming up with very competitive discounts, which is even exerting much pressure on Apple and other brands, leading to the decline of iPhone 15 sales in China. Now, the fallout of the iPhone 15 sales in China can mainly be attributed to the fact that Huawei made an impressive comeback with the release of the Mate 60 Pro. Now, this came as a surprise to many in the tech arena, for reason being that Huawei was able to beat the US sanction by adopting a made-in-China's chipset. This move by Huawei allowed Huawei to overshadow the entire Chinese smartphone market in the first week of October, allowing Huawei to obtain very high sales volume. Now, it is projected that if this trend continues, iPhone is likely to even lose to Huawei next year as well in the Chinese smartphone market. By the way, let me know if you think Huawei could maintain this momentum or Apple will soon overtake Huawei again. And if in case you find this content informative, kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next update. I'm out. Thanks so much and have a good day.